Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just gonna do another makeup tutorial. Already kind of have done my eyebrow off camera, so I'm just gonna clean it up now. So to clean my eyebrow today, I'm just gonna use PRO.conceal. I think it's the same color. Okay, to clean up my eyebrow, I'm just gonna gonna do this bottom first, then just a step-by-step thing I guess I'm gonna do. I'm trying to use this brush. Okay, let's do the top eyebrow. I guess we are good to go. Now that we've done eyebrow, just gonna prime my eye. Eyeshadow I'm using. Just prime my eye because I'm gonna do my eyeshadow first. So I have this new eyeshadow palette on Amazon, and this is the palette I'm gonna use today. This is actually how it's look like on camera. So I have tried on my hands before just to sample the shades. So this one, for example, doesn't really come up, and this one, which is amber. They all have different names, but it's not high-end. Firstly, just gonna go in with this color here, which is blazing. Let's see how it goes. Let's give it a try. Okay, this is the first one. I'm just gonna try this very one, saffron. So just gonna put this area. It's actually, coming out nice, more than I expected, for a cheap brand palette. Oh my days, this is actually looking good, man. Oh wow. Okay. Oh god, so nice, especially on the mirror. Don't know what it's like on the camera, yeah, but I tell you guys, this is really cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in now with so I'm just gonna use the same brush, but I'll try and turn it around there, not too much. Bit up, so you see I'm not going towards this side, just around here. Okay, next I'm just gonna try and cut my crease. So I'm just gonna use the concealer I used before, just there. Just gonna see what I can do with this palette. I'm just gonna use this one to tidy this up. Hopefully I can tidy it up the best way I can. I guess we are good to go. So in this palette, for example, it looks like I'm going to try, it's called Blood. I'm just gonna press it down my lid. I'm just gonna do the other side. Just over £7 for this palette. and it's giving me life. I'm just gonna go in again with this saffron. So I'm just gonna blend this all together. Just there. I'm gonna do the inner corner of my eyes. I'm gonna use this shade here, which is called Nefertiti. Just there. Wow. This is beautiful. Okay, so just gonna do my bottom under my eyes. Before I start, I'm just gonna do my waterline. Okay, I'm using Missyoung. This is actually first time I'm doing my eyebrow, everything to do with my eyes before foundation and concealer. Normally, this whole thing I'm doing right now will come last, but today I choose to take a gamble. I hope you can still see me though. So not too much. Again, exactly what I did from the beginning. So I use this color, saffron. This palette reminds me of Huda Beauty. So then I'll just go in with this other one, which is a wood. Last but not least, I'm just gonna go in again with the other one. Just gonna tidy up here. I'm still using the same brush. So that's me done with this eyeshadow palette. Okay, so next up I am going to do my eyelashes. Okay guys, I just went to do my fussy off camera. I'm gonna quickly do my full face now, which is oh, I really like these eyelashes. This is gorgeous. Just arrived today. I couldn't wait. Just gonna prime my face with Flawless Original Prime. I'm just gonna quickly prime my face. As you can see, this bad boy here nearly finished now. Been using it for a long time. So the foundation I'm going to use is Revlon. So on my hand. Okay, that's it. That's foundation done now. Okay, so I'm just gonna highlight this area. I'm just gonna contour using my concealer. So the concealer I'm going to use today, I'm going to use Fit Me Maybelline shade 40. So yeah, just apply it under my eyes. Here, just do my big forehead. Lord, and God bless my mom though. How did she push me out? I don't know. So I'm gonna use my brush again. One brush, beauty blender. See what I have there now. Sometimes, especially when I use this concealer, I'll have that location here. So just hopefully one more. See, yeah, on the other side. Okay. Yeah, is it blend now? Yeah. So far, I think that's okay. So I'm just gonna pour my contour cream. I'm using Silky. I look. Oh, we actually have mirror here. Hello, mirror.
What?
The great job on this side. On this side, not so great job, but we will blend that. Just contour my head as well. Okay, so I'm just going to set my face now with my favorite. Yeah, hope you can see it. So just dab it in. I'll use Sacha Matte face powder. Where is my powder brush? If you have a daughter that help you tidy up, good luck to you. You know why? When you're looking for stuff, you can find them. And you can't argue with her. You know why? Because she helped you to tidy up. There you go. Nice baby girl. She loves playing with my makeup. It's like I'm setting my whole face now because this powder is actually matte. So you stay there, don't come back until I ask you to. So next thing I'm gonna do, you see this area here, I'm just gonna put this contour powder slick. So just gonna take this one. Because we use a cream contour before, you don't want that place to be shiny, and the rest is, you know, matte. So okay, that cream contour is truly good. Okay, so my forehead again, I did before. So when we get to these, we usually contour our nose as well. Sometimes I'll use the cream contour, concealer, then this powder one. But today, just want to use this powder one only. So the next thing now is to highlight my face. This is the highlight I'm using, Technic Gogetyours. It's actually bronze highlight powder. So I'm just gonna highlight this area here. Wow, check me out. This is beautiful. Like, are you kidding me? Babe, it did night. Someone's gonna take me out. Well, he's gonna take me out. So just highlight there. There. You know, let's just use finger for there. We're not messing about. Next up is to use my blush. It is nice. I actually like this blush, so just go in with okay, whole face done. So before I go, as I said at the beginning, everything I use, this is the palette I used today. I remind you of a very famous palette, which is Huda Beauty Twilight UCANBE. You can get this from Amazon. It's less than a tenner. This is what you get. So the reason I also brought it out is just to tidy up this area and this area. That's what we did before. Oh, wow. Yeah. Is that done now? So for my lipstick, I'm just gonna use it's Avon lipstick. like I said, I'm just gonna use anything I have. So this lip liner, I got a bunch of them from Amazon, very, very cheap. So I'm just gonna use it. This lipstick, you can actually do that. Oh, it is so red. As if I've not been drinking enough. Why are you so dry, girl? This is really cute. I believe it's because of the lip liner, because normally red on my lip. God bless. The lip liner have a huge role to play in this case, so I'm just gonna apply more. We will call this one after party lip liner. Before party. This one is not after party. I like it. You ever look at yourself in the mirror, you're just like, I like me. So we're done now. Just gonna set my face with my setting spray, maximum. This setting spray is a ball, so I'm just gonna set my face. So we just leave it to dry. So I usually do this, especially in the morning when I'm brushing. Oh Lord. Even some of this setting spray even went on my hair. So, however, at least girl, you have to taste some as well. So this is my final look. So this is what I started with earlier. This is now. So hope you guys like this look. The way the light is reflecting on this side, it's giving me that I want to go out look. So yeah. So this is the final look of today. So yeah, I like it. And guys, so if you like this video, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you kill that notification button, so whenever I upload video like this, you will be the first one to view it. Also guys, follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Hit me up on my website, www.makeupintime.com. Okay, don't forget the name of the channel, Makeup in Time with Julia. And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.